everybody. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. Hope everyone's doing well today. So I'm coming to you and I will be reading Psalms 10, verse 17 through 18. Ye hear, O Lord, the desires of our afflicted. You encourage them and you listen to their cry. Depending on the fatherless and the oppressed, in order that man who is of the earth may terrify no man. For Psalms 10, verse 17 to 18. Thank you so much. Now I'm getting ready to do a turkey ground turkey vegetable stew. But I'm going to be using, I have the ground turkey already cooking with onions in it. And I'm also going to be putting potatoes in it just a minute after I get to kind of brown the onions, trying to brown the meat just a little bit. Okay. All right. I pour the potatoes in. I was trying to brown the meat just a little bit. So, okay. And I'll be putting in all the vegetables. I'm putting in the potatoes right now. Okay. I'll put a little bit of parsley in now, so. Okay. Okay, so now I'll be putting in Rotel. Well, let me do my ingredients first. The complete. Okay. The garlic powder. Onion powder. And black pepper. Okay.
Okay, y'all. She's letting the potatoes cook some before she add the liquid to it, and letting the meat finish cooking. Make sure your meat cook before you add your the liquid.
As soon as they get brown, then I'll start putting the ingredients in there.
So we'll be right back once the meat and the potatoes are brown.
Okay. Okay, I'm putting the Rotel in.
Okay, y'all. She put a half a can of tomato sauce in there, a can of Rotel, and half a bottle of 16-ounce water. And we'll be back in just a few minutes once you add the macaroni. Once the potatoes cook a little bit more, we're gonna add the macaroni. All right, thank you.
Okay, I'm adding my macaroni to the turkey potato soup and stew. A half a cup of macaroni. So I'll be back shortly, and I'll add the other vegetable to it. Add the vegetables to it.
All right, y'all. We'll be back shortly.
I'm I'm getting ready to add the vegetables to her stew. Okay, I'll be back shortly when it finish. This is the final touches of the turkey potato stew with the vegetables. Okay, I'm gonna take just a little bite. I'm so full I can't. All right. Okay. It's very hot. I can't hardly put hot stuff in my mouth. Usually DJ can put stuff hot in her mouth, but I can't, so I can't stand. Now I'll try to blow it a little bit. Okay. This is also very delicious. And I hope you will try this one with the turkey and vegetables with it. You can put whatever else you like to put in it, according to what you like. But it is very good. Use your own ingredient, your own seasoning, whatever you like to put in it. But we didn't put that much in there, so thank you so much for viewing this video. This is the turkey potato stew with vegetables from Miss Nina's Kitchen with all my love. Thank you. Goodbye, and thank you for all of my subscribers, all of the ones that's my members, and everyone that's my supporters. I appreciate you guys so much, and I always have to say thank you, regardless to what. God bless you, and I will be back with another video later tomorrow and next day. Thank you so much. Goodbye. It was all my love, Miss Nina's Kitchen. Bye bye.